Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make pages and subpages in Weebly. If you're building a website and want to organize your content into a clear, navigable structure, knowing how to create and arrange pages properly is essential. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your home page. Direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and just beneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Click that as well to proceed to the next stage. Now you'll be presented with a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the website you want to work on. Once selected, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This opens up your site editor where all the customization happens. At the top of the editor, you'll see a menu bar, find and click on Pages. This will display all the existing pages currently on your website, giving you a clear overview of your site's structure. This is where you'll be adding both your main pages and subpages. To create a new page, simply click the plus icon. A menu will appear with different page types, so select Standard Page. You'll then be prompted to name your new page. Type in whatever title best fits the content you plan to add, and just like that, you've created a new page. Now, if you want to create a subpage, the process is almost identical. Click the plus icon again, select Standard Page, and give it a name. Here's where the magic happens. To turn this newly created page into a subpage, click and drag it so it sits directly below the main page you want it to belong to. Then, while still holding it, drag it slightly to the right. This indentation signals to Weebly that this page is a subpage, nesting it under the main page for better organization and navigation. And there you have it. You've successfully created both a new page and subpages in Weebly, giving your website a more structured and professional layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.